welcome back. I am going to actually be trying this face mask for the first time. The face mask is called Legend for Skincare Deep Sea Mud Mask. So they sent me this face mask, and honestly I'm excited because I've been wanting to try it. So first things first, we're gonna start on a clean face, which is what I have here. It might be a little ashy because it's clean. I didn't put any type of moisturizer or anything on because of course I'm gonna apply that after the mask comes off. It is mineral rich and 100% natural formula. It can help with acne, stimulate circulation, and yeah, so the directions say to apply a thin layer of mud mask to clean skin. First things first, smells good. I'm going to apply the mask. Came with like this really, I guess it's like a little scooper slash applicator. That's what I'm gonna use it for. Goes on really smooth and it's thick too. I don't know about y'all, but I love like really thick masks because I don't know. I honestly don't know why I love thick masks. The thin ones, I be feeling like it ain't enough, and then I end up like piling on more layers. And y'all can kind of see through the mask right there. I have a bump, and then on this side of my face it's also not really breaking out, more so like I'll get like really tiny like heat bumps, and sometimes I will get like pimples. So really my cheeks and sometimes my forehead are really my problem areas. Didn't know, I have really sensitive skin. Like my skin is OD sensitive. So when people ask like, is this product safe to use? Is it safe to use? 9 times out of 10, if I'm using it, it is, because my skin be trying to react to any and everything. But so far, I'm liking this. It's smooth. It smells good too. It doesn't smell like too perfumey, if that makes sense. There's not like a strong perfume type of scent. It's just more like a subtle smell. That is applied, make sure to put it pretty much everywhere, and I like this. Okay, I'm going to leave it on for, it says 10 to 15 minutes. My skin has been giving me a little bit of problems this week, so I'm gonna leave it on for the 15 minutes, as long as, you know, the max. I'm gonna leave it on for the max, and then I'm going to come back, wash it off, and we gonna see these final results. So far, I like it. It says, however, to only use it once a week. Okay, y'all, so the first thing I noticed about my face is it feels like I just moisturized it. Like I haven't even pat dried it yet. My face doesn't feel dry. Like, you know, if you use some facial cleansers or some face masks, your face gets really dry really quick and you have to like hurry up and moisturize. It doesn't feel like that. Like it feels like it's already moisturized. I'm still gonna put my face moisturizer on it. I like that. I like that about this mask. So y'all, even after pat drying it, like, yes, come through. So now y'all already know the face moisturizer I use. We are gonna go in with the Cetaphil. My face just feels super duper soft and super duper moisturized. Like, I'm not even lying to y'all. My face feels like a baby's butt, okay? So you guys can go ahead, follow me on Instagram if you guys want to see pictures or updates on how my skin is doing. I'm going to be posting them frequently on my story and also some on my timeline. I will also leave this company's down below in the description box. So if you guys want to try this product out, all you have to do is go down to the description box, click the link, or type in the name on your Instagram, Facebook, or any social media, and they will pop up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button if you enjoyed this review, and comment down below what else you guys want to see.